Okay, welcome to part 3 of our class for orthographic projection, DJJ 10013. Okay, this is how we draw the drawing paper for orthographic projection. Okay, I just told you that in the first part how to draw. Now you draw from the example 1. We will use the example 1 as the drawing exercise for today. Okay, now let's see the drawing example. Diagram above show a component drawn in the isometric projection. Using the first angle projection, draw the following views in full scale. So today I would like to draw to you in full scale. First, put your square here, and then measure because we know that the plant is at the first angle is this is the first angle, C at X. So when we see at X, this plane is all we can see from X view. Okay, this plane, only this plane is only we can see on the X view for the front elevation. Okay, now the front elevation for the first angle is this one. Okay, because we see it from the top, plan F from this one, F side, we see it through like this, and this is the first. Okay, so first we draw the first angle projection. We draw the front elevation first. Front elevation is 60. Okay, put it 60 like here. Oh, don't forget, when there is this one is an empty column, put the line of 45 degree there. Okay, to make your drawing more easier. Okay, so 60 and the height is 100 mm. 100 mm. Oh, 100 mm. The top. Okay, now you draw the square, which is conclude the object. Okay, this. After that, the small one is 10, and then up to 20, up another one until 20, and the 50. Okay, so you just draw it like this, and after that the column in is about 14 millimeter. 14 millimeter inside, and the 20 millimeter is at the top. 20 millimeter. And the width at the top is 46. Okay, so you just put some pressure on your pen for the darker image, because Now we are going to do the object lines. Object lines like this. Okay, almost finished. And then at the top. Okay. Now you see the drawing. The drawing is the front elevation. The front elevation of the isometric projection. Front elevation like this one. We transfer it in the front elevation like this from the X view. Okay. Now, sorry, for the 45, you just at the end of this and at the end of the line of this, and then just put the line there. Okay, put the line there. So now we are going to see the side elevation. Side elevation is so simple. The side elevation consists of 80 degree, 80, okay. And you just scroll it. You just slide through the page. Don't have to measure anymore because we have already measured it. So just slide like this, slide like this, and slide like the other one. Okay. Okay. This one is the side elevation. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plane like we used to see at the first hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the side Y. Okay, you see it from this, but the drawing is at the other side because it's the first elevation, first angle projection. Okay, now just get it darker. Okay. Okay, settled. So this is the side elevation. And the last one is the plan elevation. Plan elevation, you don't have to measure anymore. Just okay, draw the line across the 45-degree line, and then you just draw the horizontal line from the crossing line like this. And then you just transfer the 80 millimeter to this 80 millimeter. Okay, now, so just the same step, transfer the line from the top to the bottom. And then we transfer the other one, which is the top of it, and then the other one from the top of that we cannot see. So we call it as a hidden line. This one is a hidden line because at the top we cannot see this one, and this one also we cannot see, but it is blocked by the object line, which is the darker line, so we cannot see the hidden line anymore. Okay, This one we can see because there is no block from this line. Okay. Okay, finish. This is all. Okay, now I want you to, and the second one from your question is side elevation plan 6 dimensions. So you dimension it. How you want to dimension it? First, okay, I want you to draw a small line from the object line, the edge of the object line like this one, and make sure it has a gap of 1 mm and 11 mm at most, and the other part also at the edge get 1 mm and 11 mm. And after that, just put the at 10. Okay, this is the dimension line. Put an arrow which is the width of 1 mm and the length is 3 mm. Width of 1 mm and 3 mm, and put the number there, which is 80 millimeter. 80 millimeter. Okay. You can also put at the bottom of the knee of the drawing. Okay, about 11. Also this part is about 11. Please make a gap. I don't want your object line is added into the dimension line, look like a straight line, because it is not the same line. This one is an object line, this one is a dimension line. So same. Okay, 80. This one is about 60 millimeter. So no, this one is not a 60. This one is 46 millimeter. 46 millimeter. And the other one, you can just long it from this one. Get much longer at about 1 millimeter, and the other one is 2 millimeter, 2 centimeters. Sorry. And then just put use the same line as a dimension line. Put an extend on it like this, and then you got put an arrow 1 and 3 millimeter, and then this one is 60 millimeter. Okay, I hope you see that. Sorry, 60 millimeter. Okay, 60, 46, 1 millimeter, 2 centimeter, 60 millimeter. You can just top up like this one, it's okay, but make sure that the gap is 1 centimeter and this one is 1 centimeter, or 10 millimeter, this one is another 10 millimeter, this one from the object is 20 millimeter. Okay, okay, now we got 3, the other 2. Okay, you can put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now put the dimension line there. This one is 20, and this one is also 20. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dimension. If you want to add the other one, also can, no problem. Put it at this side. So you got 7. More than 6. Okay, this one is 100 millimeter. Okay. Okay, so you have finished the dimension. For the question for dimension, title for all views, simple, just like this one. Okay, title for all views. Put the line, 2 line there. Put 2 line at the bottom. At about 1 to 1.5. And put the line also at this one. Okay, now you got this line. This one is front elevation. Okay, now I want you to write it properly. Front. This one is plan. Plan. And the other side is the side elevation. Too many E. Side elevation. Okay. So we settle for title for views, and the last one is projection symbol. Okay, I told you how I want you to draw the projection symbol, just like what I give to you the projection symbol for first angle, which is a 60 degree, 60, 35 to 41, 60 column, and the box is 60 times 30. Okay, so you got a board 60 times 30. Divide the board into 2, 1.5 here. Put a 1.5 line there. So after that, the circle inside the board is the small circle is about 12 millimeter. So get the 12 millimeter there. 6 mm. So when you draw the 6 mm here, so draw it properly because it is so small. And now the other one is the bigger the bigger one is about 20. 20 is about 10. The radius is about 10. When we draw the 10, we got the 20 diameter. 10 in radius, got 20 in diameter. Okay. So we just put the line on the top of the circle, this, the small circle like this, at the bottom small circle, at the bottom of the circle. Okay, now this one is about 35 and the length is about 25, 5, 20, 25. 20, 45 and so this is the first angle projection. This one is the first angle projection symbol. First angle projection symbol. 60 times 30, and the circle is 12. The big circle is 20, and it will follow this one. And this one, the length is about 25. Okay, this is the symbol for first angle. So that's all for the first angle projection. I hope you understand, and I will continue next in the third angle projection with the same example. Thank you.